Hey guys, it's Amma back with another video. I'm your one-stop guide to hair and fashion, and today we are going to be reviewing the American Crew Foaming Cream. So this product is designed to give you a medium hold, a natural shine, and lightweight control. Basically, it sits somewhere between a cream and a mousse, so it gives you volume without weighing the hair down. Just to take a closer look at the product, you can see that it has got a creamy texture. But what I want to know, guys, is does this do exactly what it says on the tin, where in this case a tub? But let's check it out. Okay, guys, so to kick things off, I'm going to start with some pre-styler. I have got the Forte series argan oil. I think it's a fantastic product for giving your hair nourishment, control, and texture. So whilst the hair is damp, guys, we are also going to apply the foaming cream. It is advertised best when we style it in damp hair. Just going to go ahead and put some of this in my hand. The texture is foamy, super light, almost like a mousse. And then it's a case of just making sure that we distribute the product throughout the hair evenly, so we don't want to leave one place with too much product. So once this is done, we'll move on to the styling process. So take your hair dryer, take your round brush, and let's go. Medium heat, fast speed. I am going for a slick back, so I'm just slicking back the hair, and with heat it activates the volume, so you'll notice that it lifts the roots and gives a fuller look. But ultimately what we don't want to do is just use the hair dryer. We only just want to create some shape and some volume, and then we want to leave it completely alone, because it is best when it's just dried naturally afterwards. What I do like about the product, guys, is that it doesn't leave your hair feeling stiff. You can literally use a wide tooth comb just to style it the way you want to until you're happy with it. With it having a medium hold, guys, if you do have medium to long hair, I would recommend you use a hairspray just to keep it in place. It's not just important for the product to give you texture and volume, it's about maintaining that shape throughout the day. And I feel that this product does do that well. So moving on to the pros and cons, we'll start with the pros. So it has a lightweight formula that doesn't weigh the hair down, and it also allows you to promote a natural look, especially when you're using a hairdryer. Also, it's easy to distribute this product into your hair, and you can restyle it as many times as you want, as it will just go anywhere you want it to go. And if you wanted to use this product as a pre-styler, just to use stronger products afterwards, you can do that also. The most positive aspect about this product, guys, is time. Life is just so busy, whether it's work, school, or just life in general. So if you are one of those people that hit the snooze button 10 times, you want to make sure that you get your style right once. For me, guys, when I'm at work, when I have to go into the office, I need a product that can work quickly in the morning, and this does just that. Okay, so moving on to the cons, this product is a medium hold at best, but ultimately if you are wanting a stronger hold, it may not be the best product for you. That's why I would recommend that if you are styling your hair with this product, guys, that you use some hairspray just so it stays up. Another disadvantage may be the fact that you need heat for the best results. Now, I have said you don't need a hairdryer to use it, but ultimately if you are wanting it to look its best, you want to use that heat to activate the volume and texture to make it look the best it can. Another disadvantage may be its audience. Now, you can argue that with its lightweight formula, it would benefit those with fine hair the most. I'm someone who has fine hair, guys, and it does work really well with my type of hair. But if you are someone with thick, curly, coarse hair, it may not favor you as well, as it may not give you the control that you need. Also, it can feel too light if you do want to go for sharp definition and structure. I think another disadvantage, guys, is its shine. It is advertised as a medium shine, but using this product, I found that it does actually have a high shine. Now, with it having a high shine, it can come across as looking quite greasy. But if you are happy with its shine and you do like the shape that it gives, then this is the go-to product for you. But everyone's hair type is different, so if you feel like the shine isn't too much for you, or if it does have a shine but you like it, fantastic, go for it. So overall, American Crew is a solid option. It's an everyday product that boosts volume without heaviness. Even though it does have quite a high shine, I would trade that in for the fact that it does maintain its shape well, especially when you use hairspray. And there you have it, guys. There's another review. If you haven't watched my American Crew fiber tutorial, I'm going to leave the link in the description, and I'm also going to leave it here for you as well. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you over there.